So I am here with Don Grunwald, and although we were out at Lesher Farms, we are in a place that is a community garden, but not really a community garden. So tell me, what is it that we're in?
Exactly. We're standing in the demonstration garden at Lesher Farm, and this garden is used for a lot of camps and classes and programs and field trips. And the way that it's managed is we have a program called the Adopt-A-Plot program, and people register and pay a small fee, and then they get their own plot assigned to them to grow food or flowers organically. And the produce is used for our donations to our Adult Community Center's Meals on Wheels program, for cooking classes, for camps. Wow. And the food grows, and the summer campers come and they harvest the food, sample a little bit, and then they donate the rest to the ACC, the Adult Community Center.
So let me make sure that I understand here, because I'm getting older now, so this takes more work for me. But you actually do have the traditional community garden spaces here, but this is different because it's a community garden with help, which is
right,
and classes and stuff. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so how it works, we have a community garden program that's out here also, and in that program you get assigned a plot and you grow food and flowers for yourself organically or to give to your friends, and you're kind of on your own. You might have neighbors help you, but I don't spend a lot of time helping in that. This program, the Adopt-A-Plot program, it's perfect for new gardeners because I will hold your hand, I'll give you everything you need, I'll make sure that you're supported. If you can't water, just let us know, we'll water for you. We'll make sure your plot doesn't get super weedy. We'll help you with your pathway. So it's very well supported, and it's a great way to learn it. And if you don't have a ton of time for a garden but want to get your hands in the dirt, it's a perfect program.
And then what I really like about it is how it's not just about people growing stuff for themselves. You're really helping other places specifically.
Yes, the ACC, the Adult Community Center, really benefits from the fresh produce every week. And then our campers learn about the parts of the plant by harvesting from the garden, radishes, asparagus, spinach, that kind of thing, flowers and fruit. And it's just an amazing win-win-win program. And it doesn't cost very much. It's $30 for a resident. I think it's $45 for a non-resident. And you learn something every week, and you learn by doing. And then you can also take some samples home. I think it would be cruel to have people grow food and say, no, you can't have any. So if you grow 4 cabbages, take 1 cabbage home, that kind of thing.
So then you also have like 8 classes, March through October, I believe. What are those, and then what events are happening? Right.
So we have work parties the 3rd Saturday of every month, March through October. And during those work parties, we'll learn something different. We'll work together on clearing your plot and just get some advice. So it's kind of open-ended. What would you like to learn? What would you like to grow? And we have an orientation coming up next weekend on Saturday from 10 to 12. We still have 8 plots open. So if you want to register now and come to the orientation, that'd be perfect. It's going to be a beautiful day like it always is when we have Adopt-A-Plot work parties, and if it's not, we have fun anyway, because it really is a party. It's very social. You get to interact with people. You get to learn as you do. It's just a really wonderful program.
Gardening in my world, growing up with grandparents on both sides of my family, always was a very social place that you met up and had fun and got some food from it. So if you're interested in this, which I find it fascinating myself, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click over to their website. You can be clicked over to their website and then get all that information and come out and really learn how to garden wonderfully and kindly. Thank you so much, Dawn.
Thank you. Wonderful.